Hi everyone, welcome back to the garden. It's bright and early on a Sunday, so we figured since it's beginning a little cold at night, I think it's time to harvest some potatoes. So I've got great helpers with me this morning and we're gonna go for a treasure hunt, as they say. So let's go.
Snail, slug, slug.
Whoa, slug! I need something to put the slugs in.
Mama, glove? Glove?
So in case you wonder how I get Sarah's chickens to love me so much, I'm constantly giving her big slugs like this. And I just picked off a ton of slugs a few weeks ago.
And there's still
one was back
more.
There was one back there. Where did it go?
I threw it. Chicken food.
It is chicken food.
I found a potato.
Oh, you found a potato.
Found a potato. I got one.
Ooh.
I found a small one.
Okay, so we're gonna put the potatoes in the wooden box over here, okay?
Okay.
Except, hang on, they're gonna fall through. So really
Mama?
small potatoes we're gonna put on the table, okay?
Mama?
Yeah.
Mama, give me the other glove.
Okay, dig for potatoes. Okay, are you guys ready for the second tub of potatoes?
Did you see any?
I don't see any slugs. No.
Oh, I see one. I see one.
You see a slug?
I'm already. Yeah, potato. Potato.
this is our complete harvest. First time growing potatoes, but you know what? It's a success. We got one that we could eat, plus a couple more. Some were eaten by, I don't know. And then these are like, they look like they're like long overdue, so who knows? But in any case, we had a ton of fun going for a treasure hunt like pirates do. And until next time, make sure you click the like button and hit subscribe. Bye guys.